Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, and this is week 13 of the Winter is Coming Wednesday series. I am doing a reveal today. I have out the completed Thanksgiving cards, less two more of these. I worked on getting everything packaged up that I had yesterday during World Cardmaking Day. Today is Sunday before the Wednesday. I usually always do my Winter is Coming Wednesday over the weekend, so that gives me during like Monday, Tuesday to be able to process the film and everything. So in addition to bundling everything up, I did some sorting and some putting away of some other card themes, and I found one of my cards from last year that I didn't use, and this was one of the designs I had for last year and one of the card sets that I used. I still really like that. In fact, I kept that set. So that puts me at 8 fully completed. I again have 2 more, so that's 10. And then one other thing that I worked on yesterday during World Cardmaking Day was making a couple of cards. So I do have a new card to share today, and this is it. So I had done this in the theme. This particular gold die cuts goes really well with the World stamp set and dies. And so I did another one, that was this one, and I'm going to make a couple of Christmas, maybe a Christmas and a winter theme using these pieces, changing some colors. I'm not sure how well I'll like the winter idea. Definitely Christmas works really well with gold, but for me, winter theme with snowflakes and such usually goes better with silver. So we'll see what I end up with for next week, but I definitely will make at least one with the gold die cuts. So this extra one puts me at 11. I need probably double, if not a little bit more than double, depending on how deep into the family tree I want to get with the Thanksgiving cards, in addition to sending to my card pals. So I definitely am going to have to up my game. I'm going to stop the filming now and lay out the Christmas ones that I've done, and we'll see where we're at with those. All right, now here are the Christmas ones all laid out. I will say that that's 12, and I have 2 more backgrounds of this style to make. I was really good with these, finishing them up. I have 2 more poinsettia clusters and one partially made, so that's a couple more there. So I probably have, if this is a dozen, I probably have 15 Christmas cards, and I'm gonna need at least 26 to 30 of the Christmas cards. So still more to go. Gonna have to ramp it up probably both for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So this is where I'm at. This is what everything looks like, and I already revealed the Thanksgiving one that I made using the gold die cuts. I will include in the supplies for this week the materials for that brown and gold card. And please leave questions, comments, and suggestions on YouTube or my blog. And hopefully you enjoyed this reveal week 13. And we're just going to get right to it and keep making more. I'm not going to relent. Next year I'm thinking of starting off, gonna go ahead and do this year round, and from January through June I will do a once a month one. See where I'm at in June, and then from July on I'll probably ramp it up to weekly. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing your comments.